This is the Specialized Turbo Creo SL. And today, we are installing a Levociraptor Gen 2. So this is the Gen 2. The Gen 1 has a switch, a variable switch. The Gen 2, there's no more switch. You control it via apps already. So this is the Levociraptor Gen 2. So we first need to remove the TCU. This is called the TCU, the on-off switch, battery level, assist level switch is called the TCU. So we need a T10 screw to tighten and remove the screw. Okay, now we have to remove the TCU from the tube frame, and then there's only one wire connected, no? So we need to remove this wire. Okay, after unplugging, we need to plug the male to the female part of the Levociraptor and the male part of the Levociraptor to the other wire. So after which we will carefully put everything, no, the whole thing, the Levociraptor into the tube frame. And then we need to put back the screw. Okay, careful that when you tighten it, just tighten it, but do not over tighten it. Okay, do not over tighten it. Okay, just enough. Okay, don't over tighten it. Now, next thing is to turn it on once and then turn it on twice. Okay, after that you are all set. So this is the installation of Levociraptor Gen 2 for the Specialized Turbo Creo SL. Here is the manual. It's a one-page manual that comes with it, no? So I try to show it also to you, so you have an idea on the manual that comes with it. So that's all. I hope this gives you an idea how to install the Levociraptor on Turbo Creo SL. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.